Well, it's a bit of a washout, but behind me, you can tell we have arrived at a port. Maybe you can't tell, but that's Cozumel. And if Les Baxter's on the hi-fi, then that means one thing: we are at a port. So we're going to visit Cozumel today and do a quick recap. There's a bunch of stuff yesterday we did on a ship that really wasn't worth sharing, unless you really like food, in which case you can go find other videos on that. But we'll do a recap here inside. But for now, we've arrived at our first port on this cruise. That's right. As mentioned before, if you hear Les Baxter on the hi-fi, especially ports of pleasure, that means we've arrived at a port excursion day. Too corny? The audience here thinks so. That's why I'm being laughed at. So yesterday, as I alluded to, I was kind of talking quietly outside because I didn't want to narrate for the whole cruise ship, but yesterday was on ship at sea day, where we didn't do a lot of things that were worth sharing, but they were definitely worth doing. So things such as coffee and mimosas on the veranda, some time at the pool. We went to Palo, one of the upcharge restaurants, for a delicious birthday brunch, very filling. We took naps. Naps were good also. We caught the Aladdin show, and then went to dinner at Royal Table. And then that was pretty much about it. So since we don't really film a ton of the food stuff here, there's not really a bunch to show you, but it was a great day at sea. And now we're in Mexico. We're on the other side of Mexico, because just 3.5 weeks ago, we were in Ensenada. And today we're going to Cozumel, which is on the Gulf Coast near Cancun. Cozumel is an island, and we're going to go look at some ancient Mayan ruins, and then do a little bit of chocolate tasting, and then dip our toes into the beach. So the Caribbean side of Mexico to come once we fuel up. Very important latte art before it gets ruined. Document it forever.
Facing the wrong way.
We're going to face the wrong way. We're both going to use it. Sorry, we're facing the wrong way.
Oh, just like this one.
Okay, so plain cappuccino, yeah?
I can't believe I did that. Oh well. It'll be a nice companion to the Smoker's Cove thing where I did the same thing. I gotta say, is this thing on?
Is this thing on? Does it work?
It's moving around. We're going for some Dutch angles. I like that. That's nice.
So, have
Hey,
you had an attitude
what's up,
adjustment
Eric?
yet?
Have I had an attitude adjustment?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I have. Yeah, I think I have.
Let's go over here.
Mostly we're just waiting because we got here too early for something. Those who either know us will think that's not possible. Or there must have been a problem with our clock or something. But no, we were just prepared this time. And we were turned away.
We were told to come back.
So
We were told to go get some coffee. We had coffee in our hands. So.
lesson learned, never be early. Alright, well, we're a little backlit, but we are in port. Welcome to Cozumel. Valerie's welcoming herself to some beverages. We're on the tourist train of the bus. Toot, toot. Whoops, I fell out of line. My shot collar is going to go off if I get out of line. Backside of Cozumel. Hey, we made it, and I only slept halfway here.
Yeah? Good.
It's a nice rolling bus, air conditioned. But here we are, bienvenidos. Welcome. Oh, we're going into the salida. It kind of blends in. If you squint, you might see me going there.
Perfect, amigos. Can you see? Handprints right there. You can get closer if you want, amigos. Imagine that after, we arrive here, the first thing that we shall do, and this is majority for the women, is that what I do? They shall be here at least once in their life, come into this temple. So they add.
You want to be in?
But don't worry, just be real careful, por favor, on the road. I don't want to get on your way.
Mimi, does only the priest and his family live on the island? And people
Oh, hi.
come back
Oh, hi.
Don't climb on that. Don't climb on this either. Got it?
10-4.
Do you want an iguana? Murals. Oh. Look at that.
Ants.
Ants.
Ants are busy.
Yeah. Should I be careful of the ants? Okay. Any uncles? The ossuary structure. Oh, human remains. Turn explorations and ants. Huh.
That's right.
Hi. I'll meet you over here. Looking at stuff. Oh, look, it's a Caribbean drugstore with antibiotics, diet pills, Cialis, generics, Viagra. Yep. We're not in the U.S. right now. Oh, hi. Wish that was me. Yeah, I wish that was me.
Sitting in the water.
Yeah, just kicking it in the water. Yep, that's my thing. Maybe what I am is an amphibian. Did you ever think about that? Because I didn't.
We got our Mexican Coke. Are you jealous?
No, I'm drinking mine. Next destination, it's chocolate time. Da-na-na-na-na. Chocolate time. Mayan cacao. Here's from a car
Is that real?
of cacao.
Carrot. Yeah, you come this way. The gallery is still in use.
Yeah.
But there is lots to think here, say, amigos. Okay? Hola!
Because a little restless.
Beautiful.
Or showing off. I'm not sure.
It's like beautiful. Muy bien. Can everybody see the Maya calendar? Get a little closer, amigos. You don't want me to show him? Why? They're good. They're nice people.
Chocolate.
It's a reptile. It's not really a fish.
But it's just with a lot.
And they're
Natural coconuts, I place them on the metate. The metate is a grinding table, limestone. Mayan women used to have this to prepare food, flowers, spices, medicines, different kind of things. Every time you see a metate, please remember the tradition in a beautiful way. Because a metate belongs to a woman, her mother, grandmother, great-grandmother, many years of tradition on a simple line is that. And I guess you feel familiar with the name paprika. The idea of the condiment is the red color because red color symbolizes life, vitality, connection to the Mayan gods to please them, but at the end that condiment doesn't affect the flavor or the aroma, just the color. And well, I have to continue. I keep mixing this a little bit more, and after a few seconds, amigos, the powder is ready. The next step, I do my happy face for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and answer right of mine. Everybody say, 1, 2, 3, That was the same chocolate that you tried on the spoons. It was grainy, it was crispy, it was crunchy, it was bitter, different sensations. Do you like it?
Yes.
I make it like that so you can notice every single ingredient from the table. Remember, sometimes less is more.
Don't disturb the stars. The only stars at Cozumel Beach are the sea stars. We did it, honey.
We made it.
We made it to the beach.
Woo-hoo.
Check it out, folks. This is where they drop off the tourists to chill out for a minute or two. Oh, they've got the old aquatic adventure kit out there.
They do.
Alright, we should go check the water out. Here's blue.
Okay.
I just don't know where we can go. There's so many activities. Where does one just go put their feet in the water? Just a regular old Monday. So this is how we spend every Monday, right? My silent partner is just nodding her head.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is what we do. This is
Yeah.
our life.
Oh, I got kelped.
Yeah, it's very
I'm in. Dude,
Oh,
I'm in.
hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Mexico. Actually, welcome to Eastern Mexico. And welcome to that fast moving boat out there. Hold on. We're gonna ride some of those on Castaway Key. Not those. Those. Pedal power. Although I will say there's a real lack of waves here. Like, it's not like standing on the beach at home where you have to watch out so much. So, there.
Oh,
We
there's fish.
went to the beach. Fish?
Fish.
Oh yeah.
They're the fish that eat your skin.
Let's see. Well, we'll see if I got any fish. There'll be some message from the fish like, stop filming us.
Hi, fish.
Oh. Did you just swallow water all over yourself?
I did. Sorry. Did I get you?
What happened with your water? Take two. Back on. You've had a water accident.
I did.
But-
Water everywhere.
So you went back. That red light right there.
Is it on now?
It's on now.
Aloha.
We're back on the bus. I don't know where I left off. I think somewhere at the beach. We dropped by the pool, put our feet in. That was nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
And then we did a little shopping, got some chocolate from the chocolate factory, as you do, and some mole. So there will be some delicious mole. I just need to find somebody who will sell us homemade, or at least closer to handmade tortillas to go with our mole, and that'll be good. Now we're going back to the port, and we're either going to do a little bit more port adventuring, as in eating and drinking, or we're going to the pool. What are we going to do? I don't know, let's find out.
We'll decide when we get there.
Cozumel pigeon. Cozumel pigeon walking down the street. Yeah, it's the world famous backside of Cozumel. here at Lobster. It's Cozumel, Lobster Point. All right, ready?
Okay.
All right, we're heading back on board because apparently I've turned into a pumpkin. I'm no fun. We have less than an hour till we're supposed to be on board. So even if we wanted to go explore, there's not a whole lot more exploring we could do. I'm still the fish. I'm still the party pooper. Val's staying very silent. I get the virtual pat on my head and said, "You did a good job." All right. Well, we're gonna go to the pool now. Well, we're gonna drop off our chocolate and then go to the pool because I haven't had enough pool time yet, and I still owe you a tequila drink. It's a nice view of the port here. The Lobster Point. Lobster Point. Some tall ships out in the sea. Alright. Don't know how much my voice is going to be in here because it's pretty breezy, but we are leaving Cozumel. We are getting out of port almost as quickly as we can. The map channel says we're going at 22 knots. And I don't think this ship goes more than like 25, 26 knots, so see you later. We also got a little bit of a bumpy sea, which is nice. Missing the bumpy seas from being, we're here in midship, so we don't get as much of it, which I miss a little bit. So, anyways, bye Cozumel. Next stop, Grand Canyon tomorrow.